Good morning everybody. In last video we shall learn about the Mendel's experiment in garden pea plant, and there are several pair of contrasting characters and some reason for selection of this pea plant we have already discussed in last lecture. Now today we shall learn the genetic terminology in inheritance and variation. Some genetic terminology. The genetic terms, they are related to genetics, and there are several terms and their definition we are discussing in this lecture. The first term, character. The first term is character. What is the character? The character, it is a heritable, means this character is passes from one generation to the another generation, means it is a specific feature of an organism. The character means it is a specific feature of organism. Character means it is a specific feature of an organism. Is known as a character. For example, height of stem. For example, height of stem. Seed color. This is a specific feature of organism, means height of stem, seed color, seed shape, pod color, pod shape. There are several characters in pea plant. We are discussing this point, and this is the first one term is a character. The character means it is a specific feature of an organism, and this term is known as a character. The next term, trait. The second term or second genetic terminology is a trait. What is the trait? Trait means it is an inherited character. They are passes from one generation to another generation. Means trait means it is an inherited character. It is known as inherited character. They pass from one generation to another generation. For example, trait. For example, tall, dwarf, round, wrinkled. These are some example of trait. Traits is the inherited character. And for example, tall, dwarf, these are the traits. These are the two terms. Next term, factor. The third genetic terminology is factor. What is the factor? The factor is, it is a unit of heredity and the particle present in the organism which is responsible for inheritance, or which is responsible for inheritance or expression of a character from one generation to another generation. It is known as a factor. Factor means one of the particles, and these particles, they are transmit from one generation to another generation or next generation. It is known as a particles, and this particle is also called the gene. the new terms of particle, it is known as the genes. The next terminology, gene, the four terms, gene. What is the gene? Gene means it is a particular segment of DNA molecules. It is a particular segment of DNA molecules. Is known as genes. Now the genes means it is a particular segment of DNA molecules. The DNA, what is DNA? DNA is a genetic materials is present in all living organisms. The DNA means the deoxyribonucleic acid. The structure of this DNA is a double helix structure. It's a double twisted structure. It is found in all living organisms. And the gene, what is the gene? Gene means it is a particular segment of the DNA molecules. This DNA structure having many nitrogen bases or nucleotides are present in the DNA segment, and one of the piece or particular segment of a DNA, it is known as a gene. This is the fourth term of genetic terms, gene. The next terminology, alleles. The fifth term, alleles or allelomorphs. Alleles or allelomorphs. The next term, alleles or allelomorphs, means the two or more alternative form of gene. It is known as alleles or allelomorphs. The alleles is a short form of allelomorphs. Alleles means it is the two or more alternative form of the gene, and they are occupy the specific loci on homologous chromosome. It is known as alleles. The next term, dominant. The next terminology, dominant, where already studied the dominant terms. This dominant, it is an alleles that express in a trait even in the presence of alternative alleles. And these dominant alleles or dominant terms, it is represent the heterozygous condition. They are occurring in the heterozygous condition. Heterozygous condition. For example, the crossing between the tall and dwarf plant and the F1 hybrid is produced, they become tall and it is a heterozygous. This capital T, small t, this condition is a dominating alleles. They are represent the heterozygous condition. The next terminology, recessive. This recessive character, recessive means suppressed character. They do not express in F1 generation, and these alleles not expressed in the presence of an alternative alleles. It is in the heterozygous condition is not expressed, and in the expression only in the presence of the another identical loci. It is known as a recessive trait. The recessive means suppressed character. They are not expressed in the F1 generation. The next term, phenotype. Next terminology, phenotype. What is the phenotype? Phenotype means it is an external appearance of an individual. It is known as a phenotype. Phenotype means external appearance of an individual is known as phenotype. They externally look like the external character of plant. Means, for example, there are study the 7 pair of contrasting characters like height of stem, color of seeds, pod shape, pod color, position axial or terminal, is position of flower or location of flower, and there are several characters and they are externally seen, and this character is known as a phenotype. Means the external appearance of an individual, this term is known as a phenotype. Phenotypic appearance of an individual. The next terminology is a genotype. Genotypic character or genotype means the genetic constitution of the individual. The genetic constitution of individual means genotype. What is the genotype? Genotype means it is a genetic constitution or genetic makeup of an individual. It is known as a genotype. Genetic constitution. For example, tall plant is crossed with dwarf and their genotypes capital T, small t, small t. These are the genotypes. Means it is a genetic constitution of an individual. This term is known as a genotypic appearance or genetic makeup of an individual. The next term homozygous. Next terminology homozygous. The homozygous means the alleles appear in homozygous condition. These individuals possessing similar alleles for a particular trait, and this particular trait is known as a homozygous. Homozygous means individual possessing similar alleles. This condition is known as a homozygous. For example, capital T, small t, means this tall, dominating or dwarf is a recessive. Or another example, round, capital R, small r. This condition having plants, this is a homozygous. Homo means similar. The structure is similar alleles are present in their genotypes, and this term is known as a homozygous condition. The next terminology heterozygous. Hetero means different. Heterozygous condition means individual possessing dissimilar alleles. This individual possessing dissimilar or different alleles. Dissimilar or different alleles. For example, capital T, small t. The gametes capital T, small t, it is a heterozygous. Homo means similar alleles, hetero means different alleles. The individual possessing different alleles, this term is known as a heterozygous condition. Means another example, capital R, small r, round seeds, the capital R, small r. This condition is a heterozygous. These are the two terms in examination, the difference between homozygous and heterozygous condition in plants. Homo means similar alleles and hetero means different alleles. The next terminology, backcross and test cross. Backcross. What are the backcross? The backcross means it is a cross in F1 progeny with any one of the parents is called backcross. Backcross means the F1 is crossed with any one of the parents. Any one of the parent is called backcross. Backcross means crossing takes place. F1 is crossed with any one parent. What are the F1? F1 means, for example, tall is crossed with dwarf plant. The height of stem, for example, the height of stem tall and dwarf. The tall and dwarf is crossed and offspring is produced. This offspring is heterozygous, the F1 generation, and this is F1. The F1 is heterozygous, means this F1 is crossed with any one of the parents. The parent is dominant or recessive. Any traits means dominating, for example, tall, round, yellow, these are the dominating terms, and recessive means dwarf, wrinkled, green, these are the recessive, means the F1 cross with any one of the parents, means this parent is homozygous, this parent is dominant or recessive. Any traits, the crossing takes place between any trait is called the backcross. The backcross means the crossing takes place, F1 is crossed with any one of the parents is known as a backcross. The next terminology, test cross. The next genetic term, test cross. The test cross means F1 is crossed with only the recessive parents. F1 is crossed with recessive parents. This F1 is crossed with recessive parent. This term is known as a test cross. Test cross means F1 is crossed with recessive parent. F1, for example, capital T, small t, and cross with recessive, only the recessive character or parent, small t, small t. This cross is known as a test cross. The difference between two crosses, back cross and test cross. The back cross means F1 is crossed with any one of the parent. The parent is tall or dwarf, means dominant or recessive. And test cross means F1 is crossed with only the recessive parent. The suppressed character means recessive character, and this crossing, the ratio is occurring. This is a test cross, means offspring is a recessive. The next term, phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio or genotypic ratio. The phenotype means it is the external appearance of an individual, and this ratio, the ratio is appearing in F2 generation. This ratio, phenotypic ratio, is occurring into the F2 generation, and this ratio or offspring is produced in F2, and this subsequently the generation is physical appearance of an individual, it is known as a phenotypic ratio. For example, the ratio like 9:2, 3:2, 3:1, the dihybrid ratio, phenotypic appearance. For example, monohybrid cross, the offspring is produced the 3 talls, 1 dwarf, means ratio is 3:1. These are the phenotypic ratio. Or F2 generation, this phenotypic ratio is appearing. Genotypic ratio means genetic constitution of an individual. For example, genotypic ratio, the capital T, 1, small t. The genotypic ratio, for example, monohybrid cross, this 1:2 to S21, the genetic constitution is capital T, small t and small t. This is the genetic constitution of an organism and the ratio is occurring 1:2 to S21. This is a genotypic ratio and this ratio is occurring in the F2 generation. Next term, F1 generation. What is the F1 generation? The F1 generation is called F1 generation. It is known as the first filial generation. First filial generation is known as the F1 generation. The next term, F2 generation. F2 generation means it is the second filial generation. Second filial generation. These are the F1 generation and F2. F1 means first filial generation is occurring in offspring. The crossing takes place male and female plants, and first filial generation is occurring, and after selfing of F1 generation, they can take place the second filial generation is F2 generation. These are some genetic terminology. In this lecture, we are already discussed the genetic terms. Some genetic terms like character, trait, phenotypes, genotypes, or phenotypic ratio, genotypic ratio, and some homozygous condition, heterozygous condition of plants, and some test cross, back cross we are discussing this lecture.